Okay, guys, ever wanted a stylish way to let customers browse straight into your collections without a boring, plain layout? Well, this section makes it feel genuinely premium. Today, we're adding this collections list section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Collections List number 11. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, search for the section, and choose it. It'll be added instantly. Now let's customize it together. First, let's set up the collection itself. Click on Add Collection on the left side and add whichever collection you want to showcase. Below the title, you can also add the collection name, and right below that, there's an image option too. I'm just adding a random image here to show you how it works, but you can add your own product or collection image, whatever you'd like to display. Right below that, you can also add an external link if you want, like a link to another product. And just like that, you can add as many collections as you need. Now let's close this and open the section's main settings. First, I'll change the heading to Subscribe. You should go ahead and subscribe too while you're at it. Below that, you can add a description too, briefly describing your collection. I won't be changing that right now. Below that, you can customize the button label and add a button link too. I'll add a collection link here. There's also a custom font option for the heading if you'd like to change that. Now it's time for the intro text. There are two options here, letting you change its size and color. I'll edit both of these right now to match my store's theme. Below that, you can change the card width for all devices, and I'll also enable the shadow effect. Last but not least, there are more colors and padding options too, which you can adjust based on your own preference. After all that effort, hit save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to help.